What are the biggest current U.S. and world news headlines? 2026. What are the biggest current U.S. and world news headlines right now? Urgent developments are unfolding globally and at home that could impact your safety, politics, and health. The World Health Organization has declared an international public health emergency due to an Ebola outbreak centered in the Democratic Republic of Congo. This is a critical alert signaling a severe risk to global health. So far, the outbreak has likely killed dozens, and efforts to contain it are ongoing. This declaration raises the stakes for international cooperation and preparedness. On May 18, 2026, a drone strike sparked a fire on the edge of the United Arab Emirates' only nuclear reactor. This incident highlights growing regional instability and raises concerns over nuclear safety in the Middle East. The UAE authorities and international observers are closely monitoring the situation amid fears of escalation. A recent settlement agreement has legally barred the U.S. government from examining or prosecuting President Trump, his sons, and the Trump Organization's current tax issues. This permanent legal shield comes amid ongoing political controversies. Meanwhile, tensions remain high as two police officers who defended the Capitol on January 6, 2021, are suing to block payouts from a new settlement fund related to that day's events. NPR continues to provide comprehensive coverage of national news, including politics, elections, health, science, and technology. Stations like WBUR in Boston offer programs such as On Point and Here and Now, giving listeners deep analysis and updates on rapidly evolving stories. NPR remains a vital source for understanding the complex news landscape today. What this means for you is that the world is facing multiple urgent challenges, from a deadly Ebola outbreak to rising geopolitical tensions and shifting U.S. political dynamics. Staying informed helps you understand risks and what might affect your community or your safety. For daily updates and clear explanations, subscribe and stay ahead of these fast-moving stories.